Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through a small introduction about NDRF. So basically this letters or this word you have heard many times, right? So whenever there is a disaster in any place, they'll be saying that NDRF team has went and rescued these many people and everything, right? So the full form of NDRF is nothing but National Response Forces, guys. Okay. So basically we'll be discussing about them in this lecture. Okay. So under section 44 of a Disaster Management Act 2005. So basically blindly you can remember that anything which is related to disaster management acts, that those acts are completely came from a particular section, like depending on the thing, a particular section from Disaster Management Act 2005 only, because that's the only act which was popular, guys. Okay Okay, so basically there will be multiple teams and multiple things, right? Okay, so basically there are two battalions each from. So there are totally four different situations or four different tributes, you can say. That is nothing but border security force. They'll be giving you at the security at the border. Indian tributary border forces, so border polices will also be these members only, and central industrial security forces, so inside the city or inside the industrials also, and central reserve polices also, so they also belong to there. Okay, so similarly 8 of NDFAs have 144 special teams, guys. So basically these battalions are nothing but they are not teams, guys. So those include teams, so you can say that these are nothing but batches or groups, you can say. Okay, so 72 teams designed to cater to chemical, biological or radiological and nuclear things, and has okay. So the main tasks or goals of NDRF is nothing but they should take care of the medical responsibilities, moral responsibilities, and moral support and civil support, and they should take care of any kind of deaths and all those things. Okay, and they should provide assistance for any countries, other countries also. Okay, so these are some kind of rules or goals, guys. You can just go through them, guys. Okay, so similarly other activities which they do are nothing but to conduct mock exercises in corresponding with other stakeholders. So to conduct some exercises and all those things, and conducting familiarization exercises. Okay, to conduct community awareness programs. Okay, so these topics are theory, guys. So that's the reason why even I'm not able to explain anything, so you can just even grow through the theory also, that will also work for you. Okay, to undergo different kind of trainings. Yes. Okay, so to train the states based on their reinforcement and all those things. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about the national level, right? So national disaster response forces. So similarly for that also we are having the state disaster response forces, SDRF. So this is also popular, but the everything which is related to state national will also come in state, guys. So that's the only thing that you should remember. So but this state is completely related to state, and here instead of helping foreign countries, this will be helping other states. Okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea. So in the next lecture we will be going through civil defenses, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.